Alright, it is early here, and I am making a mile. I was gonna do the outro with the boys, but they're still standing around in their underwear. But don't worry, we're gonna see those guys again really soon. As for us, we got some serious weather here coming in, so I want to be on the road here super early so I can make it back to Alberta ahead of all the long weekend traffic and in a timely manner. There's basically snowfall warnings encircling us in every direction. We got a couple of big cells coming in. So I'm gonna try to beat this long weekend traffic and just boogie home. Oh, the humidity! We stayed just a little east of Rebby here. That's where the lodge is here that we've been staying at the last 3 nights or whatever. And I'm just trying to get through Revelstoke here before all the long weekend traffic hits the road. So it is like, yeah, it's like stupid early, but I'm trying to get through Revelstoke before 6 a.m. It is early. You see that? See that? The big M on the McDonald's isn't even lit up yet. Oh yeah, this is awesome. There's no traffic on the road at all. Look at the hotels, they're so full. This highway gets closed constantly in the winter, just due to accidents or avalanches or whatever, and we got some really gnarly weather coming this way. So I'm just trying to get ahead of all the Neds and the Mikes, and then I don't got to deal with them on the road. Okay, never mind what I said about the weather. It looks like we're gonna have wicked roads here. As we've been heading east back to Alberta, I think we got a big front coming in at home from the north, or a couple fronts coming in from the north. So that could mean in the next week or so here, we could have some deadly Alberta riding to do. 10 Mile Hill, everybody. Hey, it's that guy. Oh, that was the guy with the Chevy with the ramps poking out of the back. Me and that guy have been chasing each other down, passing each other for the last hour. That could have been us so easy. Oh yeah, there's another cop right there. Okay, I guess we'll slow it down a little bit. This is the Monday of the long weekend, which means there's going to be a ton of people on the road. And the cops like to be out at those times and just, just fill you up with tickets. That's the line to get into Lake Louise. What the hell? All these people are trying to go skiing today, and they're all on the highway backed up. And there's the cops right there waiting right at the end of it. Sweet! Long weekend, guys! Here we are. This is the weather I was expecting that we drive into. Well, we got ahead of most of it. Hey! That's the GMC with the ramps that was pulled over. Okay, you guys. Everybody just stay out of the bumper's way. Oh, we are finally home, thank God. Oh, we're gonna slide to this. Oh, sliding sideways to the stop sign. My mirrors are so dirty I can't see out of them. Alright, that's close enough for garage door. I have not once stopped since we left Syxxes like 6 hours ago or 6.5 hours ago, however long it was. I didn't stop for fuel, I didn't stop for the bathroom, I didn't stop for anything. I could go to the bathroom so bad, I'll be right back. Oh, you guys remember this place? This place with all the broken sleds? Yeah, 2 f***ed up turbos sitting right beside each other right there. Just gonna get the M8 unloaded, get some of my gear out quick, and we'll do the Rocky Mountain damage report. I gotta say though, that was one pretty mucky drive home. Yeah, look at that. Even the Chevy's got some beardsicles on it today. Oh yeah. And that completes another grand adventure here at Syxxes Backcountry. Wow, check out the damage. So there isn't really any damage to report here on Old Whitey. That valve stem there, it's still there. That's hilarious. I guess the only thing that happened to us here is that we did have this clutch grenade a belt on us. Whole, like about, oh, that's hot. This is that CV Tech power block clutch on this M8 here. A bunch of people have been asking me how this thing's holding up. I've had it on here, oh boy, it's been a few years now since I've had it on. So it's got it probably has 2,000 kilometers on this clutch by now. I did a review video of it at one point, I'm pretty sure. I don't know, we do so many videos here. But since people have been asking about this clutch, especially recently, and there's a lot of new people at the channel, so let's, I think we'll pop this clutch off. We'll take the CV Tech clutch apart, and I'll tell you guys what I'm thinking about it. I've really been liking it, but I've been grenading a clutch it's usually about 1,000 kilometers I get to an Arctic Cat clutch. So I've been through 3 Arctic Cat clutches on this thing. Just those, whatever they are, the Arctic driven clutches, not the team clutches or nothing like that. So I decided to go with something different. So we'll get into that. Yeah, I decided to go with something a little different, but now that we've blown a belt and it's got a bunch of miles on it, we'll get into that. There we go. There's what's left of the belt. You'll be happy to know the Polaris did not go back to the dealership this time. I think for like the first or second time ever since it was brand new, it held up. Sean's happy. His sled made it this weekend. Ben's sled, however, is another story. How's that going? Good to go. Good to go. It's lacking a steering post, so common cat thing. I'll show you where it broke here. Let me see if I can get some of these cables out of the way here. Look what's going on right there. You can see it. This one probably would not have made the weekend. So, having said that, we're just gonna deal with that before this alpha even goes out again. And obviously, if you're an avid follower of the channel, you know what happened here. Sean, do you like my wheels? They're very much where they need to be. We also have the old Freerider Muskoka mobile that we're teaming up with Altitude Power Sports on. So again, if you're a fan of the channel, you know all about that. And if you don't, that's the Muskoka mobile. So we're working on that.
Steering brace.
Just a random brace in here.
We don't know. We're just taking stuff apart. We don't know what we're taking out.
We got 2 30 grand sleds sitting right here, and both of them don't work. We got a bunch of snow coming this way for Alberta. By the time you guys watch this video, I'll have a whole bunch of other ones coming your way. I got a bunch of videos planned for you guys. It's not gonna stop. So we'll see everybody in the next video. We got to take advantage of some of this Alberta snow. Lots of sledding to be done yet. As well as I have a really exciting plan for a bunch of, I shouldn't say some summer content, a whole bunch of summer content. Be shifting gears here, not for a few months yet, but I got a plan for you guys. Usually we've like shut down in the summer, but I got plans for you this summer. We'll be making content all year round now. Okay, with that, I'm gonna put some heat to the shop here, and I'm gonna wrap up this video. If you're here to the end, thanks a lot. Thanks a lot for joining us on the adventure. On behalf of myself, Sean, Ben, anybody else here at Syxxes Backcountry, Wampets. We'll see you in the next video, guys, real soon.